Jinny reacts. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing another reaction. Today I am really excited to say that I'm reacting to Rain's new MV called The Best Present. Oh my gosh, Rain is like OG, isn't he? He's like OG. And congratulations to him because he just announced his engagement to Kim Tae-hee. Oh my gosh, my memory is just going out the window. But yeah, so he's released this music that is actually produced by Psy, so high expectations. And yeah, with that said, let's watch The Best Present. Okay, it's like his R&B roots coming through a little. Oh, look at him, like a bit of a cowboy. Got that backlight. Oh, he's looking very sexy in that tight number. Oh gosh, he's like so fit. Oh, look at... He's the one that I always thought danced the most like JYP. Like the way he moves is very similar to JYP. Okay, so it's like a ballady love song, hey. Oh, that's cool. Is that just the lights? That's cool effects. It's a bit like a cowboy feel. Cowboy gentleman mix sort of feel. Oh, I think he sang this one for Kim Tae-hee, didn't he? I can't believe Psy produces. This doesn't really sound like Psy, but then again, he's a man of many talents. Oh, sneaky, cheeky. It's cute though. Gosh, after all these, he's debuted 16 years ago, I think he said. Like, oh, that was cool. Where did all these people come from? Oh, now we've got two other cowboys. One of which kind of has a Michael Jackson feel. I don't know, I was trying to... This song sounds like... I don't know, it feels like a song that Taeyang would sing. Oh, they're now white. Oh, that hair color. That hair coloring. Oh, that's cool. Because they're in all white, it catches the light really well. I wonder if he'll play this at his wedding. Why do you look sad? This is such a, like a happy song, isn't it? I mean, all these years and he's still able to do this. Oh, OG, let me tell you, OG. I think the purple looks really nice. Ay. The black is just so tight fitting and then ribbed, and the leather pants, it's just whoo. See, I always thought he had a really nice butt. Just putting it out there. Oh, what's this one? Oh, we've got that was cool. Yes. Break it down, boy. Break it down, boy. Hey, let's go. Oh, that high note. Hit it, boy. Yes, some of these ones. Oh, yes. Oh, so handsome. Oh, the extended eye contact. Oh, yep. Oh, that smile. That was a cute ending. That was a really cute ending. Okay, that was a really, oh. He's so OG, but I love him so much. Oh yeah, that is Rain's the best present, and yeah, that is quite a great present. Yeah, that was great. Oh, the dancing, the tight shirt and everything, I was just, yeah. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, and yeah, I'll see you in my next Asian pop related video then. Bye!